Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Need an extra drive without installing another hard disk? Windows 11 lets you create a virtual hard disk, or VHD, which works just like a normal drive. It's great for storing files, testing software, or organizing your data. In this video, I'll show you how to create, use, and detach a virtual disk in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click Start and open Settings. In the left pane, select System. Scroll down and click Advanced. Under the Dev Drive section, click Create a Dev Drive. Even if you don't want a dev drive, you can use this tool to create a virtual hard disk. Click Create VHD. Now you'll need to configure the virtual disk. Enter a disk name. Choose the location where you want to save the virtual disk file. Next, enter the disk size. For virtual disk format, select VHDX. VHDX is the newer format. It supports larger disk sizes, offers better protection against corruption, and is recommended for Windows 11. For storage type, select Dynamically Expanding. This option saves disk space because the virtual disk only grows as you add files. It can expand up to the maximum size you selected. The other option is Fixed Size, which allocates all the space immediately. Fixed disks may provide slightly better performance but take longer to create and use all the allocated storage from the beginning. After checking your settings, click Create. Confirm Create VHD request, click Yes. You may see another confirmation window. Click Yes again. Windows will now create the virtual disk and automatically open the initialization window. Select GPT Partition Table. GPT is the recommended partition style for modern Windows systems. Click Initialize. Next, choose a drive letter or leave the default selection. Select the file system. You can also enter a volume label if you'd like to give the drive a custom name. Click Format. If another confirmation appears, click Yes. Now open File Explorer. You'll see your new drive listed alongside your other drives. It behaves just like a physical hard drive. You can create folders, copy files, move documents, install portable applications, or store backup. For example, I'll simply copy a file into the new drive. As you can see, it works exactly like any normal drive. If you want to verify the virtual disk, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Here you can see the new virtual disk listed. In my case, it appears as Disk 2. This confirms that Windows has successfully attached the VHD. Now let's see how to detach the virtual disk. Open Settings again. Go to System, then Advanced. Click Create a Dev Drive. Find your virtual disk in the list. Click Properties, then select Detach VHD. Confirm the action. The drive will immediately disappear from File Explorer, but the virtual disk file is still safely stored in the location you selected earlier. If you no longer need the virtual disk, simply open the folder where you saved the .vhdx file. Deleting this file is the same as deleting any normal file. Just remember that all files stored inside the virtual disk will also be permanently deleted. That's how you create, use, and detach a virtual hard disk in Windows 11. It's a simple way to add extra storage without installing another physical drive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.